to school You don't say, baby, no be today. I express my love for you. You talk say mo tu ti dey. I no be that guy wey fit to make your day.
Kill ourselves.
You can't wait.
I'll kill you with love. Yes, baby.
But you know you always run, right?
No, I won't run.
You're
Why will I run?
strong, girl.
Baby, you know,
That's
by the
how
time I handle you, oh my God,
Really?
I will give you for back for front, baby. You will not kill me with this your touch. You will not kill me, baby.
You're my number one now.
Oh my God, I love you. See, baby, you know what today? I'm going to buy you everything. I'll take you to the moon. I'll bring you back. Then we'll go inside the room. Kokoro, we'll finish everything.
I love you, I know you love me too. Oh baby, don't play me for a fool. Oh baby, you look so wonderful. You walk gongon, they make my belly full.
Enough my power so that if I go inside, I will enter the
Every day, now you are the think of. Every day, I know they...
Pastor.
You know, brother Esbo?
It's me, brother Esbo. It's brother Esbo. Fine.
No get
Fine,
time,
sir.
oh.
Yes, sir. Well done, sir. Oh, me? Sir, I've been to the mountain. I've been in the mountain. I've been praying. Yes, sir. So, you know, I've been praying for the church, for the ministry, for everybody, even including you, Pastor.
You know, because you need to be serious with the word of God.
That's
and
true, that's true.
pray very mighty in prayer. Because I'm going to church now. Hope we'll see you this week.
This week? This Sunday? I will come this Sunday. I will be there live on that. In fact, 6 a.m. I'm in the church.
No problem. So please make sure you stay away from all these girls who...
Girls. God forbid. I don't do all those things. I will come. Thank you very much.
Stop, fellow.
No, I will not pray. I will not pray.
The kingdom of God is at hand. You must be serious with what you believe. Oh.
That's true, sir. That's true. Thank you very much, Pastor.
Please stay away from all these small.
Ah, me? Not forbid. No, sir. Not forbid. I don't do all that. Thank you, Pastor. Okay, God bless you. Pastor.
Funke! Oh baby, you look so wonderful. You walk gongon, they make my belly full. You know, yeah, oje lo yo. Every day, oh yeah, oje lo yo.
Pastor. That's my pastor.
Ooh, my pretty mama, yeah. You be my sweetie mama, yeah. Oh, my sweetie mama, yeah. You be my pretty mama. You be jeka feromba, you want my balomba. 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 Oh yeah, jello yo. Every day, now you are the think of. Every day, I know they feel sleep off. Your love for me, it dey sweet pass by me. Your love for me, it dey high pass by me. Shondo, I love you, I know you love.
We are here. Yeah. Where is this receptionist now? This girl. Now, wow. Receptionist. Receptionist. What's the problem? I don't always stay in one place. You can't stay your duty post.
Sorry now, no vex. No, see, not the only one person dey come here. Plenty people to come. I went to clean up the.
Okay.
No vex.
Give us a room. We need room.
Room.
Yes.
Short time, I'll be full time.
Now football match. I say I need room. Short time room. Who shall be full time? Short time room.
Okay, come down there.
My blood dey hot. I want to do one sharp sharp. Make I come out.
Short time is 3,000.
3,000.
Come on.
What do you mean? See, I can't pay 3,000 naira for short time. I can only pay 1,500.
Which one?
Short time.
Now.
Short time I will pay 1,500. Now you tell me the 3,000.
No be Nigeria you dey.
No, I can't pay that. It's too big.
3,000.
You don't want to pay.
See, I always pay 1,500 here. Go to any other hotel where they do short time, baby. It's 1,500.
Go to those places now.
See, I don't want to take this nonsense because my blood is very hot now. The way I am now, very strong. I want to enter the place. I come outside. Why are you telling me shit now?
Oga, you won't do all this next day they argue for 3,000. Continue never owe you.
No, I can't take that. Baby, can you imagine that? Telling me to come and pay 3,000 naira for what?
Yeah.
No, I can't. Please, I want to see your manager. Even the director, the chairman, I want to see them now.
Because of 3,000?
Yes.
You want to see my manager?
Yes.
No problem. I can't call my manager for you.
Go and call your manager for me. What nonsense is that? You will not money from the. How will you tell me to pay 3,000 naira? Don't worry, I have the money, but this guy want to use my brain. You're making somebody to get annoyed.
See, Oga, you cannot see my manager now.
Why now?
He's busy.
Busy?
Yes.
So who can I see now?
Nobody. Me. Just pay 3,000 for fast. Stop stressing yourself.
I don't have 3,000. Don't you understand English? You know they hear me? I don't have 3,000. What I have is 1,500.
Wait, now 3,000 you didn't vibrate his money.
Why will you be telling me to pay 3,000? I don't have 3,000. It's 1,500 I have.
1,500.
Yes, 1,500.
Bring it now. Me, I talk to the manager. If you did not do, you will collect your money back.
Can you be telling me that this thing?
She say you even hold the 1,500.
Come, my friend, will you keep quiet? Are you underrating me?
It's okay.
Don't you know me?
You too.
Baby, you want this girl?
They check out where there you go.
This 1,500.
See, now your papa friend just dirty like this. Hey, make I go ask my
You get central bank? I mean, your papa get central bank.
You don't say, baby, no be today. I express my love for you. You talk say mo tu ti dey. I no be that guy wey fit to make your day.
Hey, Oga, I cannot see manager now.
Why now?
Manager is busy.
What do you mean manager is busy? Maybe I've given you the money.
No be 1,500 you give me.
1,500 no be money.
Manager come talk say make I collect am.
I mean, you go and give me room because my blood is very hot now. I want to do the thing sharp make I come on. No time. 3,000 naira. The thing that you just go there. I can't pay 3,000 naira. 3,000.
What is the problem? What is that? Oga, see manager.
Oh my God. Man, know thyself. You don't know yourself.
Pay what? Pay for what?
What are you doing here?
Pastor. Good afternoon, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Are you the manager of this place?
Yes, yes.
Okay, we are here for short time, and the girl said it's 3,000 naira. We are offering her
You think say they wise? You be mumu, you call other people
We
mumu.
came to the mountain came to the Muhammad, and we went to the mountain, and I'm here to preach to this sister. Pastor,
for our
we
own.
are here for evangelism, sir.
On evangelism.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are here for short time. And your girl said it's 3,000 naira. And my boyfriend here, my sweet darling, wants to pay 1,500. I don't know what.
Na demo, they press.
Esbo,
Short time.
you are on the mountain. You are on the mountain. This is the mountain that you are on.
This is not the house. Sorry, the place we are supposed to come to. Is the next compound. Pastor, excuse me, sir. You know, the kingdom of God is at hand. So we have to evangelize to both hotels everywhere. So I'm here to evangelize and preach to the people. So I can win soul to Christ.
Okay. Evangelism.
Oh, mumu not too much.
Pastor, it's not easy. This gospel of the Lord, it's not easy at all. If the mountain cannot come to Muhammad will go to the mountain. You know the way it is, Pastor. But we are here to share the good news, to evangelize, so that we can win soul to the gospel. So that
You are here for evangelism.
yes,
Inside the room.
we are here for evangelism.
No, they waste my time now.
Susan, don't do that. This is my pastor. No.
She pastor, no, they do.
Pastor, I will come back. We are going for evangelism.
Come now.
What's wrong with you? I don't care. Can't you see my pastor? Which 1,500? Did I give you any money? Did I give you any money? I did not give you money. We pay tithe and offering here.
Okay.
Which money is that one?
Evangelism.
Go back to your work.
If you don't give me any money, you came for evangelism. Evangelism.
Oh my days.
Yes, so one love, two Baba Day, so Skutu comedy. Keep watching, man.